Muslim smiles, says he is the Christ who has come back to save humanity. He doesn't tell this to everyone, only to his disciples, but there are thousands of them. They worship him as a true God, believing that he is a reincarnation of Jesus Christ. His birth name is Sergei Torov, a former Russian soldier. He calls himself Vissarion. He says he is the giver of life. Kevin Sullivan, a journalist from the States, published in Washington Post an interview with a number of Vissarion's disciples. Sullivan was surprised to know what they told him. Lula Delpina, this is a lady, for example, was a translator of the International Red Cross. She had found in Vissarion what she had been looking for all her life. I fully believe he is Jesus Christ, according to Lula. I know that as surely as I'm breathing, every breath I take, I fully believe that he is Jesus Christ. This is what Lula was saying about this Vissarion. Galina Osipova, 54, was recently divorced, mother of 2 children. When someone showed her a video in which she heard Vissarion mention that he had returned to the earth because people had forgotten the words and the teachings he left 2,000 years ago. She said, according to this Galina, I felt my heart pounding and I knew this is true. He really is the one. He is the second incarnation of Christ.